why do we renovate? The question shouldn't be why we renovate, is we're renovating. We love renovating. Let me tell you, let me take a look at this. Come on down. This is a duplex. We're at the drywall stage. It's going along really well. We renovate because, I'll give you the reason why we renovate, because it's fun. It's a lot of fun. Look at this. Got the new panel right here, 100 downstairs, 100 upstairs. 2 hot water tanks, one for upstairs, one for downstairs, as a duplex. We also renovate because we've got the people to do it, and they do a great job. They've been with us for a long time. After 2 months, look where we're at. We're at the drywall station. It's coming along really well. This is 1 bedroom right here. We also renovate because there's a shortage of accommodation in Kingston. The city's actually encouraging us to build these duplexes.